is the Bearded Man from the Beard Man on Cycle YouTube channel, Instagram. Today I have some exciting news and exciting video for you. The reason is that I myself was really wanting to know about these bikes. This is a fairly new company as far as I understand, but I'm glad to see such innovations, such beauty, such perfections worked into it. So I'm here with Praveen. Praveen, please, if you can introduce yourself and the company and talk about what we're here to do. What are you here to introduce? So take it forward, please.
Sure. So hi everyone. I'm Praveen. I work with the marketing team at Strode, and Strode e-bikes is one of the new entrants into the EV space in our country. We believe that India is ready for a mobility revolution. We believe that electric mobility has become the trend across the world.
Absolutely.
And India is ready for it because
Pandemic has just given a push.
Pandemic has given a push on so many reasons. The pandemic is an outcome of, I would say, humans abusing nature.
Yes.
And if we love nature and nature loves us back, and if we love ourselves in the process, I think that's a perfect ecosystem. That's harmony, and that is what electric mobility offers.
I agree.
It's greener, it's more efficient, and it allows for a smarter, better future for all of us.
Correct. I agree.
With that mission in mind, we have brought to India what we believe represent the highest quality of European Western engineering, with parts and design that would look wonderful on the streets of India. We have noticed that there have been a lot of e-bikes in the country. Kudos to them, wonderful work, but we believe there is an opportunity for folks who are looking for a better experience, something that looks damn stylish.
Quality and looks, everything is... see, I'm sorry to cut you here,
sure.
but at this point I realize that people... आज आप रास्ते में जाते हो तो कितनी मर्सिडीज, कितनी BMWs, कितनी पोर्शेस, कितनी लैम्बोर्गिनीज दिखाई देती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि इंडिया में नहीं है. People pay for quality.
People appreciate the quality, and
they want quality.
And I also noticed on your his YouTube channel there is this beautiful section of celebrities riding e-bikes, and you will be. It's very strange to notice the number of Indian celebrities you see in his videos.
Yes.
Because I think India is still little cautious. They want high quality. They want a better experience, and we believe this getting the right e-bike is a commitment to yourself. It is to your fitness, because when you want to cycle it, you can cycle it. When you want to just throttle it and enjoy the adrenaline rush, you can enjoy that. It has everything packed into one unit. I personally haven't experienced it in a car or even a motorcycle. I cannot be fit on a motorcycle.
Yes, you can never be fit on a motorcycle.
But if I choose to be fit on an e-bike, I can do that. And that's the beauty of it. And I think you represent part of that value, and we kind of...
the whole point is to combine your lifestyle, your current lifestyle, with the mode of transport that you do. You cannot... how many people do you know join a gym? Excited, you're a gym join kiya, boss, paisa bhara hai, khatam. 1 week gaya, tum subah उठ के 2 week हुआ.
I think it's a global trend.
3 week हुआ.
Global trend. Like all gym guys, they know कि January में gym भरा होगा. January में उसके बाद equipment खाली.
I have tons of friends who do that, and Feb में, अरे boss, looks good, and walking style ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसा हो जाता है. बाद में थोड़ा होता है कि यार आज नहीं गया. नहीं कल भी नहीं गया.
No, what people need is something practical, something you can use every day,
and to combine into your lifestyle. So if you have to change it in current Mumbai lifestyle, the fast-paced life where you need to spend time with your family, with your friends and all, you need something that you can combine. That's how I started this. The whole the point about my YouTube channel is that if I can combine my lifestyle, my family, I'm a married man, I have a daughter, I need to spend time with them. उसके साथ कैसे करूँ? जिम जाऊँ के बाद में बोलते शाम को चले जाओ. काम पे जाना है तो शाम को घर पे जाओ फैमिली के साथ.
You have to fit it into your lifestyle.
So this is where we are today. This is where we are today. We need e-bikes. We need your regular MTBs. You need to incorporate that into your lifestyle. So
the Strode e-bikes represent few innovations that we believe are going to really transform the landscape. One, we are bringing the smartphone connectivity to our e-bikes by default. So you will be able to control a lot of the key factors like the ride modes, the battery, the community, We're going to be sharing ride spots. A lot of people in India, for example, we just found this beautiful location in North Bombay in the Mumbai suburbs.
A very rare location.
Very rare location, so much space. and the beauty of it is...
Builders nahi dekhna, please.
Yeah, please don't. We love this. So, you know, you don't discover the beauty of the locations where you stay.
Yeah.
You can stay in Bandra for years, you can stay in Andher, you can stay in Powai, you can stay in all these lovely, lovely places, but there are so many locations that humanly and in your schedule you never discover. So we want to share those. We want to build a community so that you can actually share those insights with each other, so you know where to take these wonderful bikes and ride.
Correct.
You can also ride together, all these wonderful things can happen. And at the same time, at this current series, so we have launched a series of e-bikes on Strode. We call them the On Collection. They represent 4 unique e-bikes, each designed for a different user in mind, with a different mission in mind, with a different lifestyle in mind.
Correct.
And the unifying thread across all of them is the smart connectivity.
Right.
It is the experience and all those factors.
So you don't have a display, the standard display. You're going to be using your everyone's mobile phone as the controller.
Exactly. Because I think the display, after a certain point, there is only so much that the LCD display can do for you. But all of us live and die with our smartphones today. You know, it is there. You might not have... It is a one screen that we can guarantee you will love using and interacting with, and it allows us to innovate like anything. And
so again, you're integrating that into the system.
Yeah, and we also have smart technologies on these bikes that allows us to do OTA updates, very similar to Tesla.
Right,
so we can actually make certain telematic updates, we can make certain upgrades to the bikes. And this allows us to manage the health of the bike remotely. So that is one of the reasons we believe that unlike many other bikes, service quality and rider experience is one of our key USPs that we want to build up. So we want to make sure that you have anytime access to support, you have anytime access to the key, support and community answers and whatnot. You're building all those elements, and at the same time, if you currently what we have here today is the Strode Carbon and the Strode Rover. Now, both these bikes are so unique yet so similar. The beauty of it is they are built for any terrain. You can ride them and enjoy them on any road, street condition or off-road condition. While the Rover is designed primarily to be an all-terrain bike. Right? It has these nice fat tires. People love it because I think anyone who rides a good motorcycle or enjoys the thrill of a motorcycle life would love to have a fat tire. That is the easiest bike to transition to if you want the looks. And
you want that the big bike look.
Exactly. It's a little macho, it's a little tough, it's a little cool, and the beauty of it is in the On Pod we are also bringing that to the slightly smaller form factor bike, which allows us to offer the bikes and make it more easier to use for women and kids as well. And
so someone in your team mentioned that it's the Harley of our...
so we like using these words, but we believe the Strode is going to be the Strode of many categories. So inshallah, we hope that we will get there, but the point is...
you can tell us about these two bikes as well. What are the features? What is
So I'll start with the Carbon. The Carbon is this beautiful street optimized bike. While the tires are puncture proof and allow you to ride across any terrain, we have made sure that the bike is able to perform, and it is optimized for more mobility, and for it's a bike that you can use to commute to your office. You can use it to go to your gym. You can use it for your errands. It's foldable, so you can actually fold the bike and put it in the back seat of your car.
So it's that's brilliant. So foldable is a very convenient
But
option.
at the same time, these bikes also come with a car mount. So if you're going on a holiday and you have like a bike for yourself and your wife or your kid, you can actually put that onto the car mount. We are going to be getting it in next month. It's an upgrade. You can actually purchase that on the app, on the website. So we are going to be bringing those.
The mount is customized to On, or is it a standard?
It is at this point optimized for our fleet. But at the same time, I'm sure there are.
So for example, like there are kids cycle along with it. So
it's a little hack, and you can actually carry up to 2 to 3 bikes on them. So we're going to be launching them soon. Stay tuned.
Excellent.
Coming back to the Carbon, it has a rear hub motor and it has a Shimano 7-speed Tourney gear system, which allows you to enjoy the performance bike experience even when you're in manual mode. And at the same time, it also comes with 2 other riding modes, which is the pedal assist, where you actually, I like to call it the superhero mode, because it feels like you suddenly turned into Superman, that you with the lightest effort, you're just kind of chugging ahead at a faster speed. It's brilliant. And then we have the pure throttle mode.
Right.
That only the battery and the motor are working together, and you are essentially the same thing you would do on any Activa or
Right.
any motorcycle gearless vehicle. You just cut and you're zooming ahead.
Right.
The motor again comes standard at 250 watts.
Right.
They're capped at it because of the Indian regulations,
Of course.
And that is one of the reasons why even the speed of the bikes is capped at 25 kilometers. Again, that
yes.
is one
That's as per government regulation.
of the limitations. But at the same time, we are also able to create an experience that people enjoy. We believe 25 kilometers is that sweet spot.
Yeah, it's a sweet
where-
spot. It's why do you need? City is not a place where you can anyway ride at 40
Exactly,
kilometers
exactly.
an hour on a
Yeah,
on a bike.
you get a performance car and you can say 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. Good
but
luck doing that.
That's it, exactly. Trust me. And
So,
yeah, agreed, completely agreed.
And at the same time, so we have the throttle mode, we have the lights, and a lot of the accessories come part of the standard kit. So we know that a lot of people are going to be coming into these e-bikes are not. For them, this is going to be the first e-bike, the first bike they're probably buying.
Right.
So you want to make life easy for them. We want them to enjoy the experience. For that, we have made sure that everything from the gears, the mobile holder,
The brakes
to
are
the,
also
the
disc brakes.
the disc brakes, all of those things come standard. With the stand.
Right.
All of these things are standard, lights and whatnot.
Right.
Of course, now coming back to some of the technical specs, the bodies, the frame is made out of aluminium 6061. So it is light, it is durable, and it is a lot more optimized than some of the steel counterparts.
And it doesn't. It's basically anti-rust, I guess.
It's anti-rust, it is corrosion proof, and for the longest time, it is an all-weather bike.
All-weather.
You can leave it out there and they are secured.
Right.
So, you are
do
getting
put a cover on if you want to keep the sticker colors on. Trust me.
So-
Indian sun is not exactly very.
So interestingly enough, it's only the carbon that has stickering.
Or
All
generally,
the rest of the
I do
bikes-
advise all my viewers to always cover the bike if they have it on the sun, because no matter what it is, whether it is body paint,
Yeah.
you know that how
Absolutely.
color fades over time.
The Indian sun is not
It
just
is
taxing
harsh.
for us; it's also taxing for our equipment. So I think then moving on, the tires, the wheels come with alloy magnesium.
Yeah, that's
wheels.
beautiful. Even I mean, that's something very rare. I see you see a lot of e-bikes,
Yeah.
but you don't really see mag wheels on it.
Exactly.
And these are gorgeous. Trust me. If you look at the Rover, if you look at the Carbon right now, they're gorgeous. I'm seeing in person. I hope you can see that in the video. I'll do my best to show it in the best form.
Yeah.
But trust me, when we were on the road, when you see these, you can see, you've probably seen you'll see the videos of my riding around. All eyes are on the bike. I mean, you can see people admiring it and wondering what is this. If I may, I don't know if I can take brand names. It's like I actually felt like you see these Instagram, YouTube videos where you have these really high-end sport cars going in a row, probably a fleet of Lamborghini and going. When we were riding around, we actually felt that.
We should do that. We should do that at the end of this video. We should actually both head out on these bikes and show
Let's ride out in the sun, probably.
Absolutely,
yeah.
into the sunset.
So-
It'll take a little bit of time, but we'll get there.
Yeah, I guess so. Brilliant bikes, absolutely brilliant looking. So
So the mag wheels come standard on the 3 bikes. The pod is one of the bikes that we have, which has the spokes, and again that is optimized because of the small frame.
Agree.
And at the same time, we get this comfortable gel seats, the suspension, and the ergonomic handlebars that we have brought into the bikes with nice disc brakes.
Yeah,
now, with the
we
kind
can-
of power and the electric motors, now they're small, but as all of us know today with the Tesla,
Yeah.
it is not the size of the motor or the engine that matters; it is the power it can put out.
Remember that size does not matter.
And going in that same vein, I would say that we have this beautiful, powerful motor powering your speed.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that you also have the sense of security. And one of the reasons where we have made sure that you get the disc brake standard,
Yeah,
where
correct, yeah.
you get good stopping power, not too abrupt, but you can gently ease into it and stop on a penny.
Correct.
And that's the beauty of the tire, the treads on the tire, and also the disc brakes. We have made some thoughtful choices, keeping in mind the customer experience, and we believe that this is going to be the first of many e-bikes that a lot of Indians are going to start owning.
Correct.
And we believe Stoat would be a great place for the community to experience
Wish
it.
you the best, man. I mean, seriously.
So we're going to be launching in Mumbai soon. We are soon going to be in Pune,
Right.
and we are going to be available in more cities. We want to make sure that service is one of the key factors that our users can count
Right,
on.
right.
we don't want to leave you high and dry. We want to make sure that you have access to someone who can guide you. So we make sure there is always support. We want to make sure that you have access to a service technician who can come down to your location and kind of assemble the bike. A lot of people,
Right. Okay. That's
you know,
important. That's important.
yeah, and a lot
Yeah.
of people today love the DIY experience, you know. So we don't just give you a bike off the shelf and say, "Ye lo tumhara bike," but rather many of our users have
They
requested.
feel more connected to it when
Exactly,
they
when
are
they're putting
part
it
of the
together.
installation.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
So
I-
we ship it to locations in a semi-disassembled state. So you
Right.
don't actually need an expert to come and do it for you.
But you,
But
you do
people
provide.
we provide it. You know, only the front wheel and the handlebar has to be rotated, tightened.
Okay.
The front wheel has to be inserted. 2 bolts have to be tightened. Put the pedals, and you're good
And
to
you're
go.
good to go.
Yeah.
Great. So
So-
that was carbon that
Yeah,
you spoke about.
carbon
right?
and also the battery on all our
Yeah.
bikes are removable.
Right.
So that
That's
allows you
great,
to charge in 3 hours. All bikes offer different ranges because of the battery capacity and various
Correct.
factors.
I agree.
So the carbon gives you 55 kilometers on a full charge.
That's brilliant.
So the Rover is a beautiful all-terrain bike which allows you to go a little further. It gives you 60 kilometers plus on a single charge.
Right.
And it gives you a lot of the standard features, the manual riding mode,
Riding.
the pedal assist,
Right.
as well as the full throttle, which users love. And the USP of the Rover is the stunning good looks. It is, I love calling it the
Oh,
SUV
yes,
of our
yes,
fleet.
yes,
it
yes,
looks
I do
damn
agree.
killer. It's
Yeah,
got this-
it caught me off guard when you walked out with the Rover, and I looked at myself and said, okay, "Okay, I need
that's
one. I need one.
all of us skipped a heartbeat when we saw the Rover for
yeah,
the first time. It's a lovely
absolutely
bike.
gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous."
And also one of the unique things, so while the carbon allows you to remove the battery by folding it, very similar
Right.
to many of the
Right.
foldable e-bikes that you get in the
Correct,
market today,
correct.
we realize that for greater sturdiness and greater this thing, some folks prefer a slightly tougher, more muscular bike, and that was one of the reasons why we made sure the battery was, while it was all-weather, was also removable very easy.
And
with
the,
a
I
simple
like what the
switch.
part is that we integrate it into the basically the body.
Yeah.
Usually these have an external battery that sits on the
Correct.
the frame.
It's sitting outside,
Outside the
and it's
frame,
a separate. Actually, what happens very often with e-bikes is that mostly the e-bike manufacturer and the battery are not tightly integrated.
Right.
They're, it's a simple way to think of it. You take a cycle and then you throw a motor on it and a battery on it, and you get an e-bike.
Right.
Versus the Strode bikes are constructed to be e-bikes from the ground up.
From ground up.
So they don't come from a legacy of cycles.
Yeah.
They come from e-bike from ground zero
Ground
onwards. Where the blueprint was drawn not for a cycle but rather an e-bike.
That's
so
brilliant,
that allows
that's
us
brilliant.
to integrate the battery into it in a very seamless fashion.
Correct, I
It's not
agree.
an awkward thing that is sticking out like a sore thumb, and that's one of the USPs. Again, one of the design factors which we believe the Indian consumer is going to be more inclined to, and they would appreciate that level of
That's
design.
why if you look at this bike and if you look at the back wheel where the
Yeah.
motor is,
Yeah.
it's not.
It doesn't
It's
stand.
not a motor inside. It's the whole wheel.
Yeah.
It's a one unit.
It's just pushing you
Does
forward.
that
it's rear
help
wheel
even
drive.
in life and quality? I mean,
Yeah, absolutely. Because while there are motors that you can place at different points of a vehicle, it allows us to have a rear hub motor for various reasons, including safety, speed, durability. There are
Right.
multiple reasons that have convinced us that this could be the case.
Correct.
But then again, all these bikes are limited edition, so we
Right.
don't mass produce our bikes.
Oh,
These are all
okay,
limited
that's-
edition bikes.
right,
There
right.
are only 200 to 300 of every bike available.
okay.
And
so
yeah.
Yeah.
So those of you who are interested, book yours today.
Fast.
But the beauty is that once these bikes are out there, you will never get them again. And we will be launching an all-new fleet.
Okay, okay.
And
So
they're
you're
going
going
to
to
be.
be keeping on introducing new fleets. So
New
when you have this, you're going to have an exclusive
It's going
limited
to be
edition
exclusive.
bike.
There's
Okay,
only
right,
going to be
that's
you.
amazing. That's
You
pretty-
will not. It's not going to be one of those situations where you're riding your car or your motorcycle and you see 3 other guys on the same signal with it.
right,
You're going to be one
So
of
if
the
you
few.
see 3 other guys, they are exactly like you, exclusive.
They are exclusive. So that's one of the reasons why we feel the Indian consumer wants high quality. We want to deliver that high quality, and we want to deliver that in a smart mobility fashion, so that it's not just the bike that gives you mobility, but also the mobile in your hand that gives you access to those options. That's the mission.
There's going to be a charging point on each one. So
Yeah.
when you're using your mobile, obviously one of the concern
Yeah.
is the battery life of the mobile phone.
Yeah.
So you're going to be obviously.
So
having
one
a-
of the accessories, so we are also, while many of the standard accessories like stands, headlights, horn, and all these elements are packed into the bike, we are also going to be offering an entire new fleet of lifestyle accessories, which includes your car carrier, to the mobile, wireless mobile charging docks,
Really?
to the
On the bike?
on the bike connected to your battery. So
Nice,
they're going to be
nice.
bringing it in for users
Nice,
who are
nice.
discerning
Very
enough
nice.
who appreciate it.
Yes, yes,
because there's
nice.
only so much you can do.
Yeah,
with
rather
it.
than having it plugged in, I could just slap
Exactly,
on my phone and
exactly,
not worry about
exactly.
it's charging at the time I'm
Exactly.
using.
So
Right.
we're bringing in all these innovations, and again,
You can, and of course, you can check all the bikes out, all full range as of now, what is available on the
Stored
website.
Bike, storedbike.com.
Links below.
Yeah.
Do look at that. You'll really appreciate the range. What I like about Stored is that you are actually have a wide range. You have this Harley kind of bike. You have two versions of that. Then you have this mountain bike. You have a fat bike. You have folding feature. So you're actually working towards servicing all kind of people. I mean,
So we want to give, when users come to Stored, we don't want them to feel that, okay, this is one brand with a one-trick pony, but rather I can feel, you can connect with something. It is very similar to what you see today with your MacBooks or your iPhones or your OnePluses.
yeah.
There are 2-3 variants because
Everyone,
user is
yeah.
dynamic and you
Yeah.
have different needs.
correct.
There
Someone
are
likes
also-
camera, someone likes
There you go, there
speed,
you go.
someone likes to play
Exactly.
games.
Exactly.
provide
So there is
everything.
something for everyone. There is something that you will connect to. I can guarantee that for anyone who comes to Stored, tries out one of our 4 bikes, there is one bike that's going to just tug at your heartstrings. You're going to feel like, this is made for me. This talks to
Right,
me.
right,
And
right,
we believe that as unique as the people are, there are only so many bikes we can make.
Yeah, agreed,
So
agreed.
we have the select hand-picked 4 designs that we believe we
I
will
do love all your collection. I've really like, and the ones I've got my hand on right now, and I've you can see me. I'm still working towards getting as fit as him. But till then, this bike kind of pulled me off. I mean, I was really impressed. The Rover did its job, but the Carbon was
Carbon
powerhouse.
is designed for a little more pep, a little more speed, because
Yeah.
it is actually a street bike. It's optimized so that when you're on a good asphalt road, you can just throttle on and boom,
Right,
you can
right,
go.
right, you can go. And it did.
It did. It pushes you.
It did
The
push.
Rover is actually also very powerful, but at the same time, we understand that it's also carrying a little more weight, a little more this thing. So we have
Which
made
is
sure that you're
standard.
getting
Your-
more stability.
yeah, your
and
fat tires are
that's
gonna
something
add
you
weight
told
to
me,
it, yeah, that's-
right? You told me that you got so much more,
Yeah, I got
comfort.
more stability on off-roading. The ground we are on is basically dry mud. It's loose, so I had more stability on this. And of course, I found when I was on Carbon on road, I found it more sturdy. So it varies.
I think again depends on your lifestyle.
Yeah.
If you're going to be going off-roading once in a while, the fat tire variants of our bikes, the Griffin, the Rover,
Right,
or
right.
even the Pod, they have wonderful bikes that if you're going to a holiday in, let us say, Goa, and I think all Mumbaikars can appreciate Goa. When you go to Goa,
Yes, we
one
do.
of the tragedies is that 80-90% of the places that are worth visiting in Goa, you cannot reach there on a car or even your run-of-the-mill two-wheeler. You have to foot it.
Yes.
Now, what we believe Mumbaikars are going to love about our bikes is the fact that if you're going to the Goa driving down to Goa next time, and I know so many of you love driving down, I do. You just carry the car carrier, mount your 2 bikes, and you and your partner can actually head into some of those undiscovered places in
Undiscovered
Goa.
places, yes.
Can enjoy Goa the way it was
Yes.
meant to be experienced. The wind in your hair, not in the wind in your hair outside a windshield, but rather I think there are wonderful, amazing experiences to be had. And every vacation, every holiday, every family moment, we believe that the right accessory, the right companion can enhance the experience not just for you but for your family as well.
And it's just not Goa. I mean, you can go to Rajasthan for some reason. You can go to any places. Exploring on a bike where you or even sometimes you can only
connect-
walk.
you
You
connect.
can only walk so much, can you? That's what the point is. You can only walk
Only as far as your legs can
so
carry
much.
you. And not all of us are as fit as we want
Yeah,
to be.
yeah. So this takes you places, right? That's
Yeah,
what one of the
absolutely.
things is that.
And magic happens. I love this belief that magic and experiences only happen when you go there.
Yes.
Journeys bring you experiences. They open up your mind and imagination. I think getting the right extension, and I think we as humans have become more and more insulated. We
Yes.
are indoors.
Yes.
I think lockdown gave us enough of indoors.
Yeah, I think
gave us
people
enough
wanna
of air
just get
conditioning.
out
Now
now.
time to reconnect with nature,
nature.
and maybe the e-bikes might be the answer to that. We believe so. We hope you
And
do
we
too.
hope so. We hope you. One of my hashtags that I use is get on, start pedaling.
Yeah.
Now that's what I want to tell people: get on,
Yeah.
start pedaling.
I would
Push that pedal
actually
for the
say,
first
if
time.
I may slightly, I completely agree with that. Start pedaling, but also try the throttling,
Yeah.
because there is no way.
I did that. I could not do
Did
it.
it transform you?
I want to tell people is the people have a lot of apprehension. They say the e-bike is basically cheating.
Yeah.
Let me tell you a very bad response of people is every biker, basically the people who ride normal motorcycles, they say e-bikers are cheaters. No, we are not. E-bike could help me where I could not even get on my cycle and ride a kilometer away. Today, I can ride 100 kilometers if I want to because it helped me. Now I have 2 bikes, so I can do both. There's no such thing as e-bike has its own facilities, its own power. It helps you get where you want
And
when you can't.
Absolutely, and also when you are running up to a steep hill, let us say you're going to a holiday in Lonavala and you go to a mountain, you want to go there.
Yeah.
Now it's not a cardio workout; you're there on holiday.
Holiday, you want to
So
enjoy
you just
it.
want to enjoy it. Just throttle. Don't
Yeah,
even pedal.
The
boom.
pedal assist is going to help
Yeah.
you.
You don't even have to do that.
Good.
I'm saying that you just want to rest your feet and just throttle. It'll just take you to your location. And if you want to come downhill and you want to pedal, you want to turn off the throttle, do that.
Do it.
Enjoy it. Enjoy
You want to
your
work
bike.
out?
It's your
Work out.
bike.
Turn it off.
Do
Turn
it
off
on
the power.
your rules.
Yeah. So get on, start pedaling, please. So Praveen, thank you for having me. Thank you for this video. Thank you for letting us, see your bikes. It's a preview. How is it going to be available? Is it available right now?
So we are actually taking early orders for some of the users who are very restless and want to get their hands on the bike. We are now offering test rides and early previews and displays of these bikes in Mumbai.
So
We are-
is there a way they can contact you?
Yes, through our website, on our Instagram. You can talk to our team on DM.
I'll put all the links below. You can check them out, all the Instagram page and website links.
Absolutely. And we are taking orders currently, but at the same time, these bikes will go, the entire fleet is going to be available from mid next month. Currently, we are offering the Carbon and Rover for early bookings.
Right.
And from the users who are already using it, they're loving it. Our app is going to be out soon.
I enjoyed it.
By the time this video goes live, I'm sure our app will be live on the Play Store and soon on the Apple App Store as well. Okay. So all the iOS and Android users are going to be loving the experience of unlocking their bike, securing the bike, checking the battery range, the speed tracking, all these elements are
I
going
didn't
to be
realize
available.
that. That's going to be fun.
All these amazing smartphone features coming to you soon.
So thank you for watching. Now I want to ask you a very fun question.
Sure.
Do you want to ride out in the sun? We've got 2 bikes, so I really want to do this. I know you guys are going to say it's a cliche.
You
but
made me an offer I can't refuse. I would love to.
Let's go.
do this.